Well, let's take a good look at it first before we taste it. Isn't that beautiful? Don't forget to go check her out on her channel. Greetings, kings and queens, and welcome back to another amazing video. Today's video is an inspired, simple salad that I seen in my YouTube news feed about a week ago by another content creator called Can't Handle the Truth. She posted a picture of her dinner on her community wall, but I'm only going to make the salad. I'm going to leave it in either the left or the right hand corner of this video. And she made a turkey chops with cucumber and tomato salad with the everything but the bagel seasoning, and she used Italian dressing. I'm not using the Italian dressing, I'm going to use the lemon instead. Let's just get this together. I haven't had the everything but the bagel season in the longest time. So when I saw that picture, I tasted the salad right away. I said, I want to make this. But I didn't have the everything but the bagel seasoning. So I went out a couple of days ago, bought that container right there. I think she got hers from Trader Joe's, I think. I got this from a different supermarket, and this is the brand the only brand that they had there. So that's what we're going to use. So let us start peeling the cucumber, cutting it up. It's going to be very quick, simple, easy, and delicious. Go visit Can't Handle the Truth's channel and check her out and see what she has going on over there on her channel. I'm so excited to have this. Put the lemon juice on first. So the everything but the bagel mix sticks good. Make it rain, make it rain. Everything but the bagel mix. Everything but the bagel mix has white and black sesame seeds, salt, granulated garlic, granulated onion, and poppy seeds. So let's taste it. Well, let's take a good look at it first before we taste it. Isn't that beautiful? Don't forget to go check her out on her channel. Let's try it now. First bite. Can't handle the truth. Good. Second bite for everyone that's watching. This is really good. Mm-hmm. me go get my cup of tea. Cheers. Thanks for watching, Kings and Queens. And thank you to Can't Handle the Truth for sharing this on our community wall, which inspired me to make this simple, delicious tomato and cucumber salad.